Hey everyone, my name is Frida and this is a video about combination knitting, or maybe videos. Combination knitting is basically a mix of Eastern and Western styles of working knits and purls. But what kind of video is this without yarns and needles? Well, if you want to just see how to make combination knitting, there are many videos of combination knitting on YouTube, for example. But in this video I want to explain the basics about how you can work a knit stitch and how you can work a purl stitch to actually change the stitch construction. Because it's so many ways of, so many names of knits and purls that has only to do with how you hold the yarn, how you hold the needles. And when you follow a pattern, the pattern will expect that you knit either Western style or Eastern style. If you don't, the work will not look as it should. So I think that these basics is something that all knitters should know. And despite all these different names of knits and purls, it's mainly two different variations you can do to actually change the stitch construction. So it's two pair of choices. So every time you will work a knit stitch, you have 4 choices, 2 times 2. And it's mainly one of the choices that makes the stitch construction changing directly. The other choice has more to do with setting the stage for next row. And a little disclaimer, this is only learning by doing. I haven't really read this somewhere. And I came to know combination knitting by just trying out. I didn't know that it was combination knitting. But if I knew all these different, or this very few different ways of making knits and purls from the beginning, it would have been easier. But it was quite fun. So this is a little bit of a diary on my way to combination knitting, which I hope that it would be useful for you, because it's not really sure that you actually do Western. Okay, hey Moira. Western type of purls, but you might work Western knits. And that is exactly what you do with combination knitting, but it could be, if the pattern doesn't describe that, it could be problematic. It's also fun, I think. I always want to know why is this going to be like this? So I will get some yarns and some needles to show you these 2 different pair of choices that can actually change the stitch construction and change the structure, the texture of the work. So see you soon.